Hi guys, it's Anne here again and welcome to another episode of Very Unusual. So I'm quite excited about this one because I'll be sharing to you all another electric blackhead remover. So if you remember my video about this vacuum blackhead remover, actually it's my video with the most views. So thank you so much for supporting it. That's why I decided to put up another video. So this is the product that I'm talking to you about, and it's actually a visual facial cleaner. So what do I mean by that? It's because it has its camera in it. That's right. So you just have to download this app and then connect it with this one. That way you'll see your pores very close, and of course it'll be a lot easier to remove blackheads and whiteheads at the same time clean your pores. So basically this is the best feature about this one, and it's one that's different with the other brand that I reviewed before. So it has 6 vacuum heads. For their functions, I'll just be linking the description below so as to save time for this video and keep it short and sweet. Okay, practically this one has 3 modes. So it says here that the gentle mode is good for dry skin, and then the standard mode is good for any skin type. Plus, the powerful mode is good for those who have oily skin. So I've already cleaned my face and removed my makeup, so now I'm ready to steam. So this is my steamer. I already put water in it. I just need to switch it. All right, so now I'm already steaming my face. Okay, so as to open my pores. If you don't have a steamer, it's all good. Just soak towel into lukewarm water and just dump it on your face. That will do. But of course, if this is something that you'll do often, I suggest you get one. I just got this one, from Amazon for only $23, and it has a good value for money because I use it a lot. It doesn't just use to open pores, but at the same time, it helps in minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and of course in healing acne and other skin issues. That's quite hot already. Okay, so now that my pores are open, I'm ready for this. I'll be using the one with this narrow tip here. It's because this one is good for the T-zone and for blackheads and whiteheads. All right, look at that. It's now connected. And look, if I move it, you actually see that, yeah. Let's do it. I'm quite excited. All right, so lower mode again, and then I'll start with my nose. It's kind of hard on the nose because it's kind of oily. All right, you know what guys, I decided that I'll use the 3rd mode for my pores on my nose. So let me do it. Shucks! This is really gross. Wow, see that? Shucks! Okay, sorry, I hope yeah, look at that. So many. Sorry, that's gross. I have all the pores here, so I focused here. And I'm still on the 3rd mode, guys. I'm enjoying it. Wow. That's super. Wow! Actually, I enjoyed it. Look at my face. Okay. I enjoyed that a lot. I don't know, it has that sensation that you wouldn't want to stop, but be careful. Be careful. You have to try it on your skin first so as to get used to the rhythm, and when you got that one, oh well, it's perfect. Okay, so I focus mainly on my nose. It's because I get oily skin here, basically on my T-zone. Wow. Okay, so practically that's how you use it. To use it on your face, you just have to glide it like this. Don't use it for more than 2 seconds on each area so as not to damage your skin. And then don't use it for more than 5 minutes for the whole face because it'll damage your skin too. All right, actually that's fun. Okay, so basically that's it. Let me just turn it off. I'm done. And the best part, of course, after this, after all this, the redness, by the way, is natural. It's normal. Don't freak out. So it will subside eventually. And now it's time for us to close our pores. I will use some sheet masks. I suggest something that's very soothing. Of course, I have here the green tea. I also have the cucumber one and the aloe vera. They're all from Innisfree. But if you don't have one like this, that's totally fine. You could just probably put it in the fridge before using it so as to have that really cooling effect, because we badly need that after that trauma. It's a traumatizing but satisfying procedure. Okay, oh well. Here's the sheet mask. I'll put it on my face so as to soothe my skin and help the redness subside quickly. Okay. Oh, that feels really good. I love these sheet masks from Innisfree too. It's because they're so thin and they have so much ampule. So they're very moisturizing. They're really good for treatments like this. So hard to talk. Okay. All right. By the way, it's ideal really to do this treatment at night. So never wash your face after this. After the sheet mask, continue with the rest of your skincare routine at night. So what do I have to say? That's the proof that it actually works, right? So I recommend this one to you all. I thought it has a good value for money. So it's just around $40 from Amazon. And if you use my code, you'll get an extra discount, of course. So better check the link down below and message me for the code so as you'll get a discount when you get this one. Wow, what an experience. I really enjoyed that one. By the way, when you have to clean it, just remove the head and then I wash it off with water plus soap. After that, you could then sanitize it with alcohol, and after sanitizing with alcohol, you could then soak it in lukewarm water with salt. How often to use it? I get that question a lot too. Basically, I consider it as my regular facial treatment. So I'm used to doing it just once a month. So these days, that's how I use it too. But it varies, of course. For this one, it's suggested to use it once or twice a week. It depends, I guess, which function or which results would you like to achieve. Oh well, anyway, that's it for this one. Once again, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it some love. And of course, subscribe to this channel, new video every Saturday. And follow me on Instagram at Very Unusual. Click that bell button, by the way. And I'll see you again next week. Happy weekend. Oh, what a weekend. Bye. Thank you.